Thank you all for tuning into that recipe. I was so excited to introduce this new way to make chicken without it being a curry. We were just trying to saute it in some spices without it being spicy and without adding aromatics such as tomatoes with the acidity factor. Some people like it mildly spicy, but remember, spice doesn't have to be spicy. It could be just that flavor profile that we're adding to the chicken, and the chicken thighs definitely aid in providing that extra flavor. So I hope you'll tune in to more recipes such as these. The website is called jussaddspice.com, and all the ingredients can be found on that recipe on that site. And so just tune in to further recipes on Instagram or on YouTube, and then it'll circle you back to my website, www.jussaddspice.com. Thanks again, and enjoy the recipe.